Okay, now we are back to our online tool, and we've seen how our offline tool works. Now, our online tool is what actually suggests how to tackle some of these MDG goals. We saw in our offline tool that we were addressing countries like India, Afghanistan, that have high prevalence of stunting and wasting in the countries, and this is what our online tool is trying to address. There are WHO recommended parameters, WHO, which is World Health Organization, and they declare parameters about a child's growth from the age of a day to 5 years, and there are certain normal growths that the child should reach to be a healthy child, and this is what we are assessing. People in rural areas don't really have access to doctors that easily as we have, and what we are trying to do here is that if we have a health worker who is actually going in villages and collecting information about height, weight, date of birth, and cell numbers of parents who live in villages, then our tool will send messages about the child's growth in terms of height for age, weight for age, body mass index, and notify the parents about what they should be doing about the child's health. In severe cases, we'll probably see cases like wasting and stunting, which is a measure of how height and weight are lesser than expected for a child, and we'll be notifying the parent about this. So let's go to the child's growth form. Here we'll be the health worker in this case. Once he's collected the information about the child's health, will fill this information. Now you might ask, why do we have the phone number when these people don't really have access to anything? Well, that's kind of a fact that people in villages don't really have other things, but they have cell phones. So the easiest and the best way to reach people these days in villages is through their cell phones. So now let's take the person will have to fill the form, the health worker in this case, and this is only a service for India because we have bought the SMS service just for India, but this can easily be scaled all over the world. So this, as you can see, the child is one year old today. Happy birthday to him. And let's take weight at visit. It's 6 kg. 6 kg is really less for a child who is 1 year old. And now our database calculates the child's health state, his growth parameters, and at the same time we are also sending SMSs to parents about the child's health. Like you can see here, the child is severely wasted, which is not a good thing. The height for age statistics show that the child is severely stunted also. So in this case, for somebody who actually understands what this means, this child needs immediate care, and if the parents don't know about this thing, then they might just go on living, and they probably might just end up losing their children the way so many other people have because of such problems. So our software will notify the parents about this thing, and this can actually be converted to, these messages can be converted to Hindi, but we haven't done it for this thing. But yeah, you can convert it to local languages as well. Now let's go to the immunization record. The child is 1 year old, so he should be getting MMR and yellow fever immunizations. Let's submit data, and as you can see, it's taking time. That's because the software is sending an SMS to the parents. You can see the 12 months old child needs yellow fever because he's already had MMR vaccination. One more thing, based on the age of the child, we also send messages to parents about the kind of diet that the child should be getting. And the kind of diet means the micronutrients, how long the mother should be breastfeeding the child, and how they should be emphasizing on giving clean and boiled water, and actually telling them that sanitation and water resources are really important as well. So we are notifying parents about these important things, which in most of the cases people in rural villages don't know. So this is our online tool, and we think that notifying parents about these things will contribute towards MDG 4 and 5, as has been seen in places like China and Afghanistan, which are actually meeting these MDG goals. So sending SMSs about the child's health. We have seen different things that people are notifying through SMSs, and this is, we think, and this thing should be told to parents. So that's it from us, and we think that this is very important because there are so many children who are dying unnecessarily. So thank you so much.